Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming hardware capability. Check your MSI model supports Tpm 2.0 and Secure Boot. Next, download the latest BIOS from MSI and create a backup of current BIOS settings. This prevents rollback issues. On Windows, create an administrator account and a system restore point so you can recover if something goes wrong. Once done, enable Windows device security settings for a preview and locate the BIOS hotkey for your MSI board so you can reboot into firmware quickly. Reboot into the MSI BIOS using Delete or F11. You need to act in the firmware now. In Security or Advanced Settings, set Trusted Platform Module to Tpm 2.0 or Firmware TPM and save that change. Then go to Boot, switch boot mode to UEFI only and enable Secure Boot. Choose the Windows UEFI profile if listed. Save and reboot. Windows will detect the firmware changes. After boot, confirm TPM status in TPM, MSC, and Secure Boot state. Once Windows restarts, install all pending updates and MSI chipset drivers. They ensure OS recognizes Tpm 2.0. Run Riot Vanguard installer with administrator rights. If Vanguard prompts for reboot, do it. This finalizes driver signing and secure boot checks. If Valorant still errors, return to BIOS and only after backing up keys and data, clear TPM and reinitialize it in Windows. If problems remain, roll back the BIOS or reapply the last known good settings. This resolves most firmware conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.